Girl, look, this is the griddle that I wanted to tell you. But the last video that we connected here, but the last video that I had was like, we were cooking, I made rice here. The rice cooker. The last video that I had, I was making pancakes and I gotta look for the Melrose account.
You know, but that's why these shows still go on. You know, the only reason that people say that there is because they're basing it on belief. Because there is no evidence. There's no evidence yet to say that there is. It's just a belief system.
Oh, this is our TV.
At this point. And MUFON will stand on that, you know. You will see, you know, that they promote it at conferences, and I understand why they're doing that, because that's a little bit about gathering funding, you know.
The window.
People that have the belief in the UFOs and the
green chairs, the blue chairs we have.
Let's say, not the UFOs, but the idea of flying saucers and ET and
see, this thing
you know, the
goes
extraterrestrial biologic entity. The ones that they don't have to have the evidence, the ones that
it comes with the tray
no
right here.
What, they don't need the evidence.
And you put the tray, but I don't have the tray on right now.
They gladly
and down here,
you know.
Pomelo.
So,
and then down here it's a warming tray.
Let's gladly support them in every way we can, you know. And that's okay if that's what it takes to get the funding to pay for the research that MUFON needs to do on the serious side to actually get the real evidence.
Baby.
So be it. You know, right now that's the only way we
Water.
have to be able to raise the funding. Because membership alone is not enough to cover funding at all. Because just to get into a laboratory, to get real tests done, you know, to get into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know, just for one case.